Now this illustration further illustrates AFCI protection in accordance with 210.12A1 through A6. Now let's review method number 5 at the top of the illustration. And it states a listed outlet branch circuit type AFCI device at the first outlet is permitted with rigid metal conduit, IMC conduit, EMT conduit, steel armor type AC cables, metal wireways, or metal auxiliary gutters and metal outlets at the junction boxes installed for the portion of the branch circuit between the overcurrent device and the first outlet. Now, this used to be in the 2011 edition of the code. This was 210.12A exception number 1. But notice the outlet branch circuit, the OPD, this AFCI device shall be marked to indicate it is the first outlet. So we would have a listed branch circuit overcurrent protection device, which could be a circuit breaker or fuse and a panel board. Now, this would be the method, but notice the wiring procedure has to be in one of the wiring methods that we see in the method 5. Keep this in mind. Now, the wiring method that we're going to use below it in the 2011 NEC, this was 210.12A6. And basically, this method, where a listed metal or non-metallic conduit or tubing or type MC is encased in not less than 2 inches of concrete and listed for such an installation, the portion of the branch circuit between the overcurrent device where the conductors receive the power, and the first outlet, it shall be permitted to be installed in a listed type AFCI at the outlet. So encased with 2 inches of concrete, as you see in the drawing, then you could have the type AFCI device there protecting everything downstream. And they have a device now that you could do that, but the installation of such device has to meet A1 through A6 to 210.12A through A. Now, these are the methods that can be used by the 2020 NEC to provide protection for AFCI outlets in a dwelling unit. And this is what figure 10-52 C, along with figures A, B, and C, illustrate so an electrician knows the procedure for providing a method that will provide the AFCI protection for such outlets.